Good day, this is Boyang again, small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. So we have what's this, a bucket. This is a bucket battery type, and the problem is the cable that unlock the bucket. So that's the problem. And the reverse cable, or the reverse brake handle, is the problem also. It's worn because customers always hiring it, and it's worn out every time you press the reverse. Okay, for today's video we're gonna replace the cable for the to tilt the bucket and brake. So I have the parts already. So this is the parts assembly. This is the handle, and this is the wire. So I'm gonna install it. So I'll show you how to install it. Let's go. So for today's video, we're going to troubleshoot this B4E. We're gonna replace the cable and the handbrake. Okay, the tilting bucket cable and the handbrake. Okay, let's go. So we already managed to put the cable, and this one has a slot, and this one is missing lock. So we'll find some lock. So we found out a lock, so we're gonna put it back over there. Let's go. So if you want go forward, pull up the emergency stop, then that. Then as you can see, the battery is full and the hours. So if you want to move forward, you're gonna press this, then press this. It's moving forward. And if you want to move reverse, you need to press all of this and also this. That's the reverse. Okay, so press this and press that, and we're going reverse. Okay, stop and stop. If you let go, it will stop or break. So again, small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. I've already replaced the handbrake and the cable for tilting bucket. Okay, that's for the tilting bucket, and it's so hard to take it off because it's so many holes and other way that you need to do it in a proper way, because there's something slot on that cable. Okay, this is Boy again, small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. Please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and let me know where are you, and I'll give you a big shout out. This is Boy again. Thank you for watching.